Hello, fourth grade. It's Miss Trevino again. I hope you're having a great day, and I know you're working hard. I'm gonna go over the assignment that Miss Nixon and Miss B assigned you. This revising and editing for the Indians of Texas. So remember, with revising, um, you want to go back in and you want to plug those words in. So you can always have someone read this top portion to you, right? But you do need to read this passage by yourself. The passage needs to be read by yourself, okay? And then you can have someone, or if you need me to, we can get on Zoom and I can read you these questions, okay? So you can have someone read you the question and the answers to you. So for example, this is going to be really quick. There's not much for me to change or um, add on anything other than using our strategies that we've been practicing, which is change, for example, change no to any. So you go to sentence one and you want to plug in the word any instead of no. So you read it with the word any. So early people who lived in Texas didn't leave any written history. And then you compare it to the way it was originally written. Early people who lived in Texas didn't leave no written history. Okay, so which sentence sounds better? Didn't leave no written history or didn't leave any written history? And you have to take those things into consideration. Plug those in. And even if you think you found the answer, go in and plug in the other ones as well, because you never know. Okay? They like to put two very good answers in there, and then it's going to be up to you to choose the best answer, right? Again, here, what is the best way to correct the sentence? So we know there's going to be about two answers that are going to be really close, but you need to choose the best one. Okay, so like I said, someone can read you the top part, someone can read you the sentence and the answer choices, but you do need to read this passage by yourself, okay? Remember to use your strategies and let me know if you need me.